Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the right people and data. That matters because Pestle depends on diverse perspectives. First, call a short workshop with 3-5 stakeholders and a scribe. Next, quickly capture one-line facts under political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental categories. Do not deep dive yet. Once done, time box 60-90 minutes and prioritize the highest impact items. This makes analysis actionable now instead of waiting for perfect information, and it forces early decisions you can refine later. You now turn facts into insight by scoring and connecting them. Scoring shows what truly matters. Start by rating each item for impact and likelihood on a 1-5 scale, then calculate simple weighted scores to rank priorities. As you review, link causes across categories, political changes that drive economic shifts, or tech advances that create social effects, so you see chains of influence. Once done, pick the top 3 risks and top 3 opportunities to drive decisions and allocate next steps. You finish by converting priorities into a short action plan that assigns owners, deadlines, and measurable outcomes for the next 90 days. This turns analysis into work. Make sure to add monitoring indicators to review monthly and schedule a quarterly Pestle refresh to capture changes. If stakeholders disagree, use small experiments and clear decision rules to break deadlock rather than endless debate. This keeps progress steady and lets evidence, not opinions, determine which strategic moves you make next.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.